Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking Standard 2 Subject Science. Standard 2 Subject Science. We are in lesson number 5 Shelter. We are in lesson number 5 Shelter. Yes, different types of houses and what things are used to do houses. Yes, how many types of houses we have learned in this lesson? Two types, no? One is Kacha house and other one is Pakka house. Kacha house is made of mud. Yes, mud, bamboo sticks, straws, leaves. Yes, it is not at all permanent. It is a temporary house. Yes, it won't stay for many days. So it is a kacha house. But why? Because it is not to make a kacha house. They won't use bricks, cement. No, cement. How is cement bricks? They are very strong. Yes. So for permanent houses, they use bricks, cement, sand, steel, iron to make permanent houses. That permanent houses will stay for many long years, no? But this kacha house will not stay. Kacha house is a temporary house. So pakka house, kacha house, pakka house, kacha house, and also we have learned different types of houses. That house on wheels. What is that house on wheels? Caravan, tents. All these are temporary houses. Caravan, tent, houseboats, igloos. All these are temporary houses. Yes, they can be moved from one place to another. Caravan is house on wheels. Houseboat, it moves in water, it flows in water. Igloo is a house made of ice blocks. Igloo is a house made with ice block. Where there is a lot of snowfall, they make these igloos houses with snow. Yes, they are temporary houses. Yes, tent is also one more temporary house. So today we will learn exercises. Children, page number 58. Open your science textbook. Page number 38. Page number 38. Science textbook page number 38. We have completed. Yes. Did you finish this paper? Already we have completed in previous class 1, 2, 3 bits and I asked you to copy fourth one. Yes, did you finish this? Those who did not finish this paper, page number 38, first finish your page number 38. Children, complete it. Now today we will discuss page number 39. Today we will discuss page number 39. Yes, put your finger, think and answer question. Put your finger, think and answer. Why do we find so many multi-stored buildings in cities? Why we find so many multi-storage buildings in cities? Multi-storage building means, which house is this? This is what? Independent house. Okay, only one independent house will, one family or two families will stay in independent house. But multi-storage means what? Like box building with many houses, yes, many houses will stay in one place only. Many houses will be built in one place. Here in this place only one permanent independent house is built. In the same place only they are constructing a multi-story building, means apartment, like apartment. So why they are building apartments? To save place, in the same place only so many houses are built. No, in apartment how many people, how many families can live? Yes, they have many houses in the apartment, like 15, some places 20, some places 50 also, in some places more than 50 also. Yes, so in the same place area, to save place, they build apartments. Yes, one floor, other floor. Yes, they will have many floors. And many families, they live together in one apartment. Yes, this is what independent house. In the same place only they are building apartment. So here they are saving area, place. No, they are saving place. So first, what was our question here? Why do we find so many multi-storage building in cities? Yes, in cities here we have many multi-storage building. Yes, why a multi-storage building means apartments. Why we have? See here, we find many multi-stored buildings in cities as many people can stay. Many people can stay in the same place. Here in this independent house, one or two family can stay. Here how many houses are there? One family, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 families can stay together, or 20 families can stay together, 25 or 30. Yes, more than that also. So in one place, in that place only they have floors. They have floors. In that many families they live together to save place. See, many people can stay in the same place. Many people can stay in the same place, thereby saving place. For what they are staying together? To save place. To save place. W-E-V. F-I-N-D, find. M-A-N-Y, many. M-U-L-T-I, multi. S-T-O-R-E-Y-E-D, story. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G-S, buildings. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G-S, buildings. I-N, in. C-I-T-I-E-S, cities. A-S, as. M-A-N-Y, many. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. C-A-N, can. S-T-A-Y, stay. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. S-A-M-E, same. P-L-A-C-E, place. T-H-E-R-E, there. B-Y, by. S-A-V-I-N-G, saving. P-L-A-C-E, place. Why nowadays we are using apartments, multi-story building? Because to save place. To save place. You can write that answer here, children. Think and answer. Here you have space up. There you can draw a line and you can write these 2 lines answer here. Okay, in your textbook you can write. Otherwise copy the question and write it in your classwork. Is it clear? You can write it here only in your textbook, page number 39. Page number 39. Here itself you can write it in your textbook. Yes, here itself you can write in your textbook, or if place is not sufficient, you write question in your classwork and copy the answer. Okay, once again we'll read. We find many multi-storied buildings in cities as many people can stay in the same place, thereby saving place. Saving place. To save place. No, to save area. What we do? We build apartments so that many families they live in that apartment. Now second one, see project. Sixth one, page number 39. Sixth one, what is this? Yes, house. Yes, with color papers they showed you how to make a house. How to make a house. You can do it in the same way. First you should cut a square piece of paper. Then this is what? Triangle. Then you can place it on the square triangle. Then you can with any other color you can make doors and windows. Doors and windows. Yes children, this do it. House, do it and paste it in your classwork. Yes, paper house, do it and paste it in your classwork. Don't need to do all this. Only you do and paste it this house in your classwork. Is it clear? Yes, first you should take any one color square paper. Suppose if you don't have color paper, what you are going to do? In one white sheet, use crayon. Use crayon and color the white sheet. Yes, whichever color you want, you can color on the white sheet that color. Yes, and you can take these 3 colors. How many colors are needed here? 3. So any 3 colors you can use to make your house. Yes, first one square paper, then triangle, then place the triangle on the square and make doors and windows. Make doors and windows. Do this house and you will paste it in your classwork. Yes, when you come back to school I will give you marks for this. So how it is shown in this book, instructions are given how to do the house. Follow the instructions, read the instructions. It's very simple. By seeing here you can understand how to make a house. Yes, do this house and paste it in your classwork. Here it is shown small. You too will do small. No, little big. Okay, little big. Now we will go to 7th one. I have already written questions on the board. We will read it on the board. So whichever is the correct sentence, we should tick the correct sentence. Now see, life skills. T-I-C-K, tick. T-I-C-K, tick. T-H-E, the. C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E, sentence. Tick the correct sentence. Now we will read few sentences are given. We will read the sentences and whichever is correct, for that we will put a tick mark. And whichever is not correct, we will leave that. Yes. M-A-K-E, make. Y-O-U-R, your. B-E-D, bed. A-F-T-E-R, after. Y-O-U, you. G-E-T, get. U-P, up. I-N, in. the, morning, morning. Make your bed after you get up in the morning. Make your bed means what? As soon as you get up from your bed, you should fold your bed sheet. Yes, you'll use bedsheet to cover yourself. Yes, you should immediately fold and keep it in proper place. You should keep your pillow in proper place. Soon as you get up, what you children will do, you will leave everything on the bed and you will just come and start brushing your teeth. Is it correct? No, first where you are sleeping, that place you should make it correct, and then only you should come out of your bedroom. Is it clear? Yes, these small things you can do, no, to help your parents, otherwise mommy will come again, she will fold. Yes, so you can do these small things. No, you should learn how to fold blanket or bed sheet. Yes, you can do these small things to help your parents. Yes, as soon as you get up, don't leave your bed as it is. Up cover won't be there in proper place. You will not fold your bed sheet. Pillow will not be in proper place. Is it correct to leave the bed like that? No, you are sleeping in that place. How the bed should be neat, no? So as soon as you get up, you fold your things. You fold your bed sheet, blanket, and keep it in proper place. Pillow, everything, and then only you should come out of that place. Yes, leaving everything on the bed open, you should not come out. You should keep your bed in proper place, proper condition. Bed sheet, blanket, everything should be folded. Pillow also should be in correct place. Yes, as soon as you get up, what you should do is get up in the morning, make your bed. Means you should fold your bed sheet or blanket, whatever you are using, you should fold and keep your bed sheet, cover everything in proper place. Yes or no? We should do that? Yes, we should do. So we will put a tick mark. All from today onwards you will do. Yes, tomorrow as soon as you get up, you are going to keep your bed. You will fold your bed sheet or blanket. Yes, so make your bed. Okay, after you get up in the morning, as soon as you get up, you should make your bed. THROW, throw. WASTE, waste. ALL, all. AROUND, around. THE, the. HOUSE, house. Throw waste all around the house. Yes, we should throw waste all around the house. Throw waste all around the house means chocolate covers. After eating chocolate cover, you will throw in house. After eating biscuit wrapper will be there, you will throw that. Banana you will eat, you will throw that in house. Orange you will eat, orange peel you will leave it on the table or sofa or somewhere where you sit and eat. There only you will place all that peel, banana peel, orange peel. Is it correct? No. We should not throw waste all around the house. Yes, we should immediately remove, because that is waste. Where we should put the waste? Always the waste should be in the dustbin. Always the waste should be in the dustbin. Yes, you will tear the papers, you will make something with papers and you will throw it like that on the floor. Is it correct? No, it's waste. So immediately you should throw it in the dustbin. So here what they are saying, throw waste all around the house. Is it correct? No, this sentence is wrong. You should not throw. They told throw, you can throw. No, it is not correct. You should not throw. Throw waste all around the house. No, we should not throw waste. So this box we will not tick, because this sentence is not correct. We will not put a tick mark. Third one, FILL, fill. YOUR, your. WATER, water. BOTTLE, bottle. FROM, from. SCHOON, school. Fill your water bottle from school. Yes or no? Yes, you will fill water from water tank from school and will drink. No? Yes, because in school also we use clean drinking water. You should not fill the water from the street side taps. Yes, some taps will be placed on street side. The tap water you will drink. No, that is not good for your health. Yes, if you drink such type of water, what will happen? You will fall sick, you will get stomach pain. So we can use water from school or from home, you can fill water bottle from your home, or you can use water from school. Yes, these both will be clean and pure. So you should not fill water from street side taps. So fill your water bottle from school. Yes, correct. You will fill water from home. Yes, when you come back to school, you will be drinking, you will feel thirsty, you will again go to school tap and fill. Yes or no? Yes, that is also clean, safe to drink, clean and safe water to drink. So you should not use any roadside, street side taps to drink water. So this is also correct. We will put a tick mark. Fourth one. SPLASH splash, WATER water, ALL all, OVER over, THE the, BATH bath, ROOM room. Yes. So some children, what they have habit of, when they take bath, no, they will take water and they will play with water. Yes. Spilling water here and there in washroom. Is it correct to do? No, we should. If you do such type of thing, what will happen? You are wasting water. You are wasting water. So when you are going in washroom, how much water is needed? That much only you should use. Take bath. Wash your legs when you are coming out of the washroom. When you go to washroom, when you are coming out, wash hands, legs properly and come out. Don't play in water. You will be sitting in washroom and you will be pouring water here and there in washroom. Is it correct? You will throw water on the walls. You will throw water on the tiles. Is it correct? No, we should not waste. If you do like that, water is wasted. So when you are sitting in washroom, when you are using washroom, when you are taking bath in washroom, you should not play with water. So this is not correct. We should not pour water in washroom. It is not correct. No, should not play with water. What is this sentence here? We should not play with water in washroom. PICK, pick. UP, up. YOUR, your. PLATE, plate. AFTER, after. YOU, you. HAVE, have. EATEN, eaten. AND, and. PUT, put. IT, it. IN, in. THE, the. SINK, sink. FOR for WASHING, washing. Pick up your plate. Listen carefully. Pick up your plate after you have eaten and put it in the sink for washing. Is it correct or wrong? After eating, you should only remove your plate and you should put it in the sink. Is it correct? Yes. After eating, we should take our plate and keep it in the sink for washing. Yes, for cleaning, for washing. So this is correct. After eating, should not wash your hands in that plate and you will leave it on the dining table. Is it correct? No, we should never wash hands in plate. Go to sink, keep your plate in sink, open the tap and then you wash your hands. Yes, so never you should wash hands in your plate. Take your, after eating, keep the plate in the sink, open the tap and clean your hands. After eating, don't leave it on the dining table, your plate. Yes, so this is correct. Pick up your plate after you have eaten and put it in the sink for washing. Yes, we should. After eating, we should remove our plate and we should keep it in the sink for washing. Yes, correct. So, correct sentence, put a tick mark. WALK, walk. INTO, into. IN, in. TO, to, into. THE, the. HOUSE, house. WITH, with. MUDDY, muddy. SHOES, shoes. Walk into the house with muddy shoes. Walk into the house with muddy shoes. Is it correct? No. Your mother will be cleaning, sweeping and keeping the house clean. What you people will do? You will wear shoes, chappal, you will go out, play and come with that muddy, dusty shoes or chappal. What you will do? You will come inside the house. Is it correct? No. You should immediately remove your shoes or slippers and keep it in the rack. Keep it on the proper place in rack. Yes, you should not move around in your house with wearing your shoes. Yes or no? Yes. We should not come inside the house with muddy shoes. They told walk into. You can walk into the house with muddy shoes. Is it correct? No, we should never walk inside the house with muddy shoes, because that dust, again you will only get that infection. You will sitting on the floor, that dust, you will be walking all around the house with muddy shoes. In the same place you will sit and play again. Is it correct? No, that dust will go into your nose. So we should never you come with muddy shoes in the house. PICK, pick. UP, up. YOUR, your. TOYS, toys. AFTER, after. PLAYING, playing. AND, and. KEEP, keep. THEM, them, BACK, back, IN, in, THE, the, TOY, toy, BOX, box. Once again listen. Pick up your toys after playing and keep them back in the toy box. Yes or no? Pick up your toys after playing and keep them in the toy box. Yes, after playing you should not leave your toys on the floor. Yes, if your younger sister or brother, if they are moving, running, what will happen? They will get hurt. If old people are there, like your grandfather, grandmother, yes, without seeing, if they step on your toys, what will happen? They will slip and they may fall down. So what you should do immediately after playing, you should pick up all your toys and keep it in the toy box or in the proper shelf. Yes, so after playing, you should not leave your toys on the floor. You should immediately collect it, pick it and put it in the toy box. Is it correct? Yes, after playing, we should pick up all the toys, because you are playing, you should only do. Yes, you will play, you will leave the toys on the floor. Again, your mommy will come, she will collect and she will keep it in the proper place. Is this correct? No, you are using, you are playing with the toys. So you should only take care of your toys. You should only take care of your toys. So immediately after playing, you should collect the toys and put it in the toy box. Yes. So this is also correct. So we will put a tick mark. Once again, shall we read these sentences? Now itself you will complete. When I am doing it on the board, you should complete your work, children. Put ticks. Page number 39. Here boxes are given. In these boxes, put ticks, children. Once again, I am reading. At that time, you should finish your work. Come on. Tick the correct sentences. MAKE, make. YOUR, your. BED, bed. AFTER, after. YOU, you. GET, get. UP, up. IN, in. THE, the. MORNING, morning. Make your bed after you get up in the morning. Yes. THROW, throw. WASTE, waste. ALL, all. AROUND, around. THE, the. HOUSE, house. We should throw waste all around the house. No, we should throw waste in the dustbin. So we will not put tick for the second one because it is not correct sentence. FILL, fill. YOUR, your. WATER, water. BOTTLE, bottle. FROM, from. SCHOOL, school. Yes, you can fill your water bottle. You can get it from home or you can fill it from school, because both the places are safe to drink. Yes, other taps which are on the roadside, you should not use the tap water. SPLASH, splash. WATER, water. ALL, all. OWER, over. THE, the. WASH, washroom. You will throw water in washroom? No. If you do like that, water will be wasted. So this is wrong sentence. We will not put a tick. PICK, pick. UP, up. YOUR, your. PLATE, plate. AFTER, after. YOU, you. HAVE, have. EATEN, eaten. AND, and. PUT, put. IT, it. IN, in. THE, the. SINK, sink. FOR, for. WASHING, washing. Pick up your plate after you have eaten and put it in the sink for washing. Yes, after eating your plate, you should only remove and you should put it in the sink for washing. WALK, walk. IN, into. IN, in. TO, into. THE, the. HOUSE, house. WITH, with. MUDDY, muddy. SHOES, shoes. Should walk inside the house with muddy shoes? No. So wrong sentence. We will not put a tick. PICK, pick. UP, up. YOUR, your. TOYS, toys. AFTER, after. PLAYING, playing. AND, and. KEEP, keep. THEM, them. BACK, back. IN, in. THE, the. TOY, toy. BOX, box. Pick up your toys after playing and keep them back in the toy box. Yes, this sentence is also correct. We'll put a tick mark. Finish ticking. Go to next paper. Page number 40, worksheet children. Yes, what are given here? Different types of houses. Yes, some permanent houses are given, some temporary houses are given. Yes, different types of houses are given. Now we will write names for these houses. Yes, did you finish this? I am erasing. Fifth bit, I asked you to copy in your textbook here itself. Yes, completed children. We'll write that here. Worksheet. See here children, page number 40 worksheet, page number 40 worksheet. Yes, different types of houses are given. Few temporary houses are given, some few permanent houses are given. We'll write the names for this. See and say me, which house is this? Yes, temporary or permanent? Temporary house. What is the name of this house? Tent. What is the name of this house? Tent. Very good. Those who have given answer, very good children. What is the name of this temporary house? Tent. Yes, tents are made of with canvas cloth. Tents are made of with canvas cloth. So first one, right? T-E-N-T, tent. T-E-N-T, tent. Yes, T-E-N-T, tent. Now move to this one. Yes, which house is this? Permanent house. Yes, permanent house. Yes, we can move this house like tent from one place to another. No, temporary house, tent we can shift from one place to another. Wherever you want to stay for picnic holidays, we will put the tent for 2-3 days or 1 day or half a day, and when coming back we will remove the tent and come to our home. Yes, but this house we can move like that? No, because it is a permanent house. It is built with bricks, cement. It can't be moved from that place. So which house is this? Bungalow. Which house is this? Bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. B-E-N, no? B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Yes. Then next. Which house is this, children? See, you can see wheels for this house. Yes, you can see wheels for this house. Yes, it will move on wheels. It will move on roads. Yes. So all the vehicles have wheels in the same type. This house also have wheels. So what is this house name? Caravan. What is this house name? C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Caravan. Okay, bungalow should come this side, no? Here. This is second one, bungalow. This side. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Caravan. See, last word you can see V-A-N, van. Yes, yes, this house is like van only. Yes. Now fourth picture, what is this? Houseboat. No, where we can see this houseboat? It will be floating in water. In Kerala sites, when you go in Kashmir, we can see these houseboats in lakes. Yes. So what is the name of this houseboat? It floats in water. This name, what is this house name? Houseboat. H-O-U-S-E, house. B-O-A-T, boat. Houseboat. B-O-A-T, boat. Houseboat. Next, what is this here? Which type of house is this? Here only one family can live. How many floors you can see? See, how many doors and windows you can see? That many families are living here. Yes, in one place. Yes. To save place, so they have constructed apartment. What is this? Apartment, where many families can live together. What is the name of this house? Apartment. A-P-A-R-T, A-P-A-R-T, M-A-N-T, apartment. Then, yes, you can see this last one. What is this, children? You can see a house on tree. You can see a house on tree. So what is this? Tree house. What is this house known as? Tree house. What is this house known as? Tree. 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 House. House. Tree house. Apartment. 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 We'll read once again. Yes, you can see this here. Where are the permanent houses? Yes, here. See, bungalow, bungalow, cottage, cottage, apartments, 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 apartments. So, here 6 types of houses are given. Write all these 6 types of houses. All these 6 types of houses in your book. Is it clear? What are these? Tent, tent. Caravan, caravan. Apartment, apartment. Bungalow, bungalow. House. Boat, boat, house, boat. Boat, house, boat. Tree. House, tree, house. Understood, children? Learn the spellings also. Yes. Tent is what? Temporary house. Caravan, temporary house. Apartment, permanent house. It can't be moved, no? Bungalow, yes, permanent house. It is made of bricks, cement. It can't be moved. Houseboat, houseboat moves in water. It is also a temporary house. Tree house, yes, it is also temporary house. It won't stay for many days. Yes, if strong wind blows, what will happen? The tree house may fall down. So, these all are tent, caravan, houseboat, tree house. All these are temporary houses. Apartment, bungalow are permanent house. They can't be moved from one place to another because to construct this permanent houses we use bricks, cement. They are very strong. They can't be moved from one place to another. So today our lesson is completed. Lesson number 5, page number 40. Do children, what is your homework? Your homework is doing house, paper house in your classwork. Paste, do and paste it. Paste it. Paper, paper. House, house. In, your, CW. Do and paste a paper house in your classwork. Page number, textbook page number. It's in your page number 39. It's in your page number 39. You follow these instructions. Do and paste it neatly in your classwork. Yes, children, do it and complete. This lesson has been completed. We have completed till page number 40. Those who did not finish writing in your textbook part, complete, children. Complete all this work. Page number 38, 39 and 40 should be completed. Those who did not finish page number 38, first complete this page also, children. Yes, before going to the next lesson, your lesson number 5 should be completed both in classwork and textbook. In classwork, what you are going to write? You have written adverbs. Yes. So revision also, revision zone also I asked you to write it in classwork. You can write in textbook question answers, or if place is not sufficient, you can write in your classwork. Yes, children, complete your both classwork and textbook very neatly till page number 40. Your work should be completed, and read all these words and sentences once again. Thank you, children. Do your work neatly.